this is about a 6.5 foot tall lamp. It's probably about 15 or 20 years old. It's my neighbor's, and I actually have the exact same lamp at my house. She has 2 of them, but this one's not working, so she asked me if I could try to fix it, which I think I can fix it. But it's currently off. It's got a dimmer switch on the side here. You turn it on, 1 click, nothing happens, and then you're supposed to turn it up for brightness and nothing happens. But when you turn it down, right before it clicks back off, it starts working a little bit. So I did some troubleshooting, and I'm almost certain that it's the dimmer switch that's in this pipe here. Open this up, take a look at it. Looks like it's going to be semi-close because it's got the same type of switch housing there. And then this is what it looks like. This cardboard stays on. This just screws apart. I don't know what I'm getting into until I just basically take this thing apart. So I know I can pop those things off. Those are just wire caps. This should just pop off. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Try to keep it halfway looking nice. Yeah, there we go. Oops. Adios, that piece. I'll find that later. These appear to be crimped. Ah, look at that, Scott. Should I reuse these? I may end up reusing them. Yeah, pretty decent craftsmanship there. And turn that out. Little nut there. Uh-oh. Got some action here. Hopefully I got enough cord up in there. Get all the way down here. That looks like the same. Same part. Whoa. I think I'm gonna cut it right here just to leave as much as I can. Just stuff it inside there. I know this. Well, here we go. We'll test it before I put it all back together. Which, now I need a knife. Just need to get it started. Now we gotta go on this side. It's off. On, and then it gets hot. All right. Let's unplug this. I need to shove this stuff up inside there. There we go. Boys and girls. This is my boat. Tightens up a little bit like that. And this piece here. Alright, I got this switch on. So let's do another test with this thing since it's put back together. Plugged in, engage, we got light, add dimmer switch, 15 bucks on Amazon. If this helps anybody, great. Hit the like button and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.